that is where we are. We're trying to go to the planet MOOOOOLa, and wifey's gonna try her best. Yeah, it's because it wants to take you to the planet. That's it. She's like, the real screen is so small. There is a lot more. Oh my god, it's so loud. Don't touch it. One more. So that's how you get the bonus round. So you got 2 down there. Keep going. Oh, that would have been a good one on the other side. Wild plus money. It's so loud, it's scaring the out of me. Moo. Oh, come on. Oh, they already give it to you? Oh, no, wait, what? Do it again. Oh my god, not another connection? Oh, so it boots it up. Moo. Come on, more wilds. Oh, you need to have just the connections there. Yeah, turn the volume lower.
Quiet moves.
Come on, another one. Oh. So they get like 4 of those in a row. So anytime you get a line hit is what triggers the next bonus. See in the bottom. Just 7 or 10 or whatever. You have to get at least 4 to get to that one.
What was that lady wearing?
She was paying $3, I think, or $2. She was sitting here for like 2 hours after. Oh, that would have been good. So you won money there, that's good. So it pays bigger line hits. Come on, the connection. Oh, it was close. And it has the wild on the second one. Moo. Okay, this is a good one. Come on. What do we need? Outhouses. Outhouses. Okay, come on. There we go. Do. Moo. Now let's get more connections. More things. Oh, hold on. Let's see. Okay, come on. Do 10 more. Oh my god, it stopped 1 short before. Yeah, so that's what I was saying. And then if it keeps going, you just get the infinite. If you get the unicow too, then it gets like super big. But
lady got really lucky.
Yeah, she got the unicow. It abducted it, and then yeah, you'll see it as one of those. See, it gives you different ones, like the stacking or the whatever. Moo. Moo. Oh, you got it. More, come on. Yes, keep going. Unicow. Another one, please. All right, 23 games. 23 games. Here we go. Good job. We're going to the planet MOOOOOLa, people. Something big. Unicow. Moo. Multiply. Oh, you could have done that too. Why not?
We're multiplying.
Okay, 20 free plays. That's pretty good. Okay. Move. I'll put those in the beginning. Okay. 5x. How is it gonna connect? Oh, it did connect. Nice. 5x. Again. Put him closer. More moo-moos. Come on. Oh, there we go. Sometimes they come with like big money on them too. Another one. Oh. Random 5x. Oh, come on, no connection. Can re-trigger. Lame. That's, oh, no connection there? Wow. That was the planet Moooooooola. Oh, that's a funny looking. That was fun. Okay. Moo. Okay. I think wifey wants to cash out now, right? Okay. No? Okay. So we had fun. We had a little bit of Moooooooola fun. We're gonna go find a new game. See y'all then.